Hi everyone, welcome to the KUSANAGI series. I'm Tomoya, a marketer at GMO Prime Strategy. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick introduction to KUSANAGI. Do you know KUSANAGI? Have you ever heard it or not? KUSANAGI is a virtual machine image. It's basically a CMS-optimized OS developed by GMO Prime Strategy, a Japanese company specializing in web infrastructure. It's designed to learn WordPress as fast as possible, right out of the box. Nginx, PHP, and MariaDB are all pre-tuned, so you don't have to spend hours on configuration. It learns on 26 cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Now, let's look at the commands that make it work. In this episode, we are looking at the KUSANAGI command line. These are the commands you'll use every day to manage your site. Let's get started. Let's start from the very beginning, the two commands you learn when you first set up KUSANAGI. First is KUSANAGI init. Initializes your environment. You choose your web server, PHP version, database, and other settings here. This is your starting point. And then KUSANAGI provision sets up a WordPress site inside the environment. It installs WordPress and get everything ready to go. Once your site is running, here are the commands you'll use day to day. First is KUSANAGI restarts your web services. It's simple, but you'll use it. And next, KUSANAGI status. It shows you what's running right now. Your web server, PHP version, and database, more. And KUSANAGI update command. Apply the latest KUSANAGI module update to keep everything current and secure. Caching is where KUSANAGI really shines. Let's look at the cache command. KUSANAGI fcache on command. It enables fast TGI caching. When fcache is on, Nginx serves pages directly from cache without touching PHP at all. That's why KUSANAGI is so fast. And KUSANAGI bccache on command enables browser caching. So visitors' browsers cache static files like images and CSS. And KUSANAGI fcache clear command clears the fast CGI cache when you've updated your comment. Setting up SSL is really easy with KUSANAGI. Just run KUSANAGI SSL command with your email address. That's it. KUSANAGI automatically gets a free Let's Encrypt certificate. Sets up HTTPS and handles auto renewal. No complicated setup needed. One more thing. KUSANAGI also comes with a WordPress plugin. From your WordPress admin dashboard, you can manage cache settings, enable theme, accelerator, and check your environment. Always an opening terminal. This is especially helpful, right? For site owners who don't use the command line. Very convenient. Those are the essential KUSANAGI commands. Bookmark this episode, you'll probably come back to it. See you then, the next one. Bye.